Google just released Gemma 412B, and this is a model that brings high-performance multimodal intelligence directly to your laptop. It handles text, vision, and audio natively. It runs on just 16 GB of VRAM. And it claims performance nearing Google's larger 26B model. Let me show you everything you need to know about this model. Gemma 412B is Google's latest addition to their Gemma family, which has now crossed 150 million downloads. This model is designed to bridge the gap between edge-friendly E4B and the more advanced 26B mixture of experts model. What makes Gemma 412B unique is its unified encoder-free architecture. Unlike traditional multimodal models that rely on separate encoders to translate images and audio, Gemma 412B integrates vision and audio input directly into the LLM backbone. This means less latency, lower memory usage, and faster inference. The model supports vision input through a lightweight embedding module and audio input by projecting raw audio signals directly into the same dimensional space as text tokens. Benchmark-wise, Gemma 412B delivers performance nearing the larger 26B MOE model on standard benchmarks. On multiple tests including GPQA, Math, MMLU Pro EvalCode, DocVQA, and MMAGI, the 12B model comes remarkably close to the 26B variant. The model is laptop-ready, requiring just 16 GB of VRAM or unified memory to run locally. This is less than half the memory footprint needed for the larger model. The key advantage is that Gemma 412B is a dense model with all 12 billion parameters active at all times, unlike the 26B, which uses sparse mixture of experts with only 4 billion parameters active. Reddit users who tested both models side by side ran them on an RTX 4090 and gave each the same task. They asked both models to write a self-contained HTML5 canvas animation with real physics in one file without libraries. 3 scenes involved a Galton board, 2 blocks colliding off a wall, and a chaotic triple pendulum. The 12B used 9 GB of VRAM and generated 8.9K tokens at 80 tokens per second. The 26BA4B used 15 GB of VRAM and generated 6.9K tokens at 138 tokens per second. The results were competitive, with both models staying very close to each other. The 12B stayed very close on almost half the VRAM, making it the ideal model for a 16 GB laptop. One of the most impressive features is native audio processing. Let me show you how this works in real time.
Okay, this is transcribed pretty well. Let's use the voice edit feature. This is powered by the new Gemma 4 12B model, and it works fully offline. Make it more exciting. Oh, nice. But that's a bit much. Tone it down and turn it into bullet points. Cool. Draft an email to our Google developers community with this content. Great. Very nice. Let's send this to our community in India as well. Translate this to Hindi.
That is the Google AI Edge Eloquent app processing voice input completely offline. The model transcribes, formats, and translates voice inputs entirely on the device. No cloud connection needed. This is powerful for privacy and accessibility. Now let me show you the real-world test comparison from Reddit, where someone tested both Gemma models side by side. The comparison shows 3 different scenes. The Galton board test shows both models understanding particle distribution. The collision test shows how each model handles physics simulation. The triple pendulum test demonstrates chaos theory understanding. The results are nuanced. Both models performed well, with the 26B model showing slightly more sophisticated physics understanding in some areas, while the 12B model stayed very close with significantly lower memory requirements. The debate in the community is still ongoing about which aspects matter more for real-world use cases. Gemma 412B is available now across multiple platforms. You can try it yourself with a couple of clicks in LM Studio, Llama, Google AI Edge Gallery app, the Google AI Edge Eloquent app, and the Lighter-Te LM CLI. Download the pre-trained and instruction-tuned checkpoints directly from Hugging Face and Kaggle. Implement local inference pipelines with Hugging Face transformers, Llama-DOS-PP, MLX, SGLang, and VLLM. You can also fine-tune efficiently using Unsloth. Google is releasing an official skills repository to support agentic development with Gemma. This is a library of skills designed specifically to enable agents to build with Gemma models. For production deployment, you can spin up endpoints using Google Cloud through the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform Model Garden, Cloud Run, and GKE. Gemma 412B is a solid addition to Google's model family. It brings genuine multimodal capabilities with native audio processing, runs efficiently on consumer hardware, and delivers performance that stays competitive with much larger models. If you want a local, efficient multimodal model, this is worth testing. You will find all the necessary links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.